Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. Well, if you're getting an error while installing something, if you're getting this error, redistributable package Microsoft Visual C++ 2019 needed, and it should be installed, and then we can restart. So I will tell you the best way to install Visual C++ 2019 redistributable package. So it can come while installing anything, you will get this error if it's require redistributable package. So here we will type Visual C++ ++ 2019 redistributable package. So here I'll select it, and it says latest supported Visual C++, and we will click on the very first results, and then we will scroll down, and here we can see the options and latest Microsoft. So here it says ARM64, x86 and x64. So if you do not know whether your computer is x86 or x64, you can take a bet of x64, because if your computer is not more than 10 years old, there will be a very high probability that you're using 64-bit computer. Alright, and for ARM computers, most of the people know that they are using ARM. So you can go with x64, and I'll click on that. And a small file will be downloaded. You can see it is a 24 MB file for C++ redistributable for Visual Studio. So it's only like 5 seconds remaining, and it's done. I'll click on open, and now it says Visual C++ 2015 to 2022. So it has all the required C++ redistributable package. I'll click on I agree, and I'll click on install, and it will ask you to say yes. And very soon you will see the bar will be at the right side, and it will get installed. And once it is installed, we just have to restart the computer, and then we can try to install whatever we want to. Now it says you must restart your computer before you can use this software. So you can click on restart, and then you can try to install whatever the software you want to install, and now you will not get the error. Alright, so this is how you can download Visual C++ and install. If you find this tutorial helpful, please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.